Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Pizza Panne puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. The difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 7 pizza pieces into the square frame. At first glance, it seems easy, just put the pieces on a side, fit one piece and then just add another piece, but you will very quickly find that it is not enough just a little bit of space to fit the last piece, and you have to reorganize all the pieces again, trying to fit the last piece inside. This puzzle looks quite nice with all the ingredients on top, but when it comes to you from Puzzle Master, it looks like so. You just have a plain pizza dough and just spots for the ingredients, since the ingredients come on a side in a plastic bag, and you have to glue all the salamis, mushrooms and olives on top of the pizza pieces, and then you can try to solve the puzzle. If you like how the Pizza Panne puzzle looks and you wanna buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. But if you already bought the puzzle and don't know how to solve it, or just want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the Pizza Panne puzzle. So first of all, I'm gonna remove a couple of pieces so that I can move the rest easily inside. I put one piece right here on top, another piece next to it. Then I add one piece right here in the middle. As you can see, they fit nicely and they leave not a lot of space left. Then we can add this piece right here. The next piece that we can add will be right here. Then we add another piece into this spot. Maybe I did it a little bit wrong and I have to, if I move this piece a little bit different way, it gives a little bit more space for the rest of the parts. And now we have only one piece left, which fits quite easily into this spot, and we have all 7 pieces inside the square frame, and that is the correct solution of the puzzle. As you can see, I can even move all 7 pieces. That was the solution of Pizza Panne puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.